Hi readers, today we're going to continue to work on ways to spell words. Yesterday we learned one strategy, and that was how to say it, slide it, hear it, write it. And today we want to continue to work on that. And we also talked about yesterday how using the alphabet chart is a helpful tool to help you remember some of the letter sounds. So you might want to have that nearby as you're working. I have it sitting right here so I can refer to it as I'm writing some tricky words. So our goal is to make sure that we try to write all the sounds that we hear and slow down and really stretch the sounds out so that we can hear them all and write them so that our readers will be able to read all of our words. Okay, so I'm going to reread here what we did yesterday, and then I'm just going to touch and tell the rest because we know our chart on how to write a story, that once we get our idea and touch and tell and sketch, then we write the words. So I'm going to keep kind of going back and forth to that touch and tell and writing. We went to the top of the hill and my brother gave me a big push. I went down the hill faster and faster. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write that. Some words that I already know, like I don't need to do anything, I just write it. Went. Okay, that might be another word that I know already that I can write it. I went down. Okay, so this might be a word that I'm going to need to say it, slide it, hear it, write it, and try to get all the sounds. So down, d. Okay, and D, that lowercase d, sometimes I can't remember if it's a B or a D and which way to write it. So again, look at my alphabet chart. That's the B. This is the lowercase d. Down. Okay, I hear O and then a W there in the middle. Down. Okay, and then at the end I hear an N. Okay, so do you see here how I just kept saying it, sliding my finger, hearing those sounds in order, and writing them down? I went down the, don't need help with that one. I went down the hill. Okay, remember hill, we did it up here. We already said it slowly and stretched it out. So I can look up here and say, oh yeah, we did that one. Hill. I went down the hill faster and faster. Faster. Let's try this one. Fast. Fast. That was tricky right there, those two letters there at the end, but I got them all. Fast. And faster. So I already wrote faster here, so now I can use that to help me. I'm going to put an exclamation mark here. All right. I went down the hill faster and faster. Okay. So today, again, I just practice saying words slowly so I can stretch out the word so I can hear the sounds better. So say it, slide it, then hear the sounds, and then write them in order. We used the alphabet chart to help us with any letters. Okay, and then you'll notice we also kind of kept going back and reading to make sure, does it make sense and can I reread it? Okay, so today your goal is to keep writing on your new story that you're working on. Keep thinking of how you're going to stretch that word out and say it, slide it, hear it, write it. Try to get all the sounds in there so that everyone will be able to read your writing. Happy writing!